So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to add bullet points here on Google Docs. So the simplest way is to go on your keyboard right here. If you just press dash, then press the space bar, it'll automatically start the formatting this way. So you can go ahead and do like hello, hi, hey, what's up, etc. Doesn't matter. Now, if you want to edit what these look like, it's pretty straightforward as well. Go to this top right to where there's these bullet point lists right here. You can go ahead and select the list based on what you want right here. So if you wanted to change these to circles, you can do that. If you want to change them to sort of those, you can do that. You can change them to squares. You can change them to arrows. You can change them to stars. Like whatever the case may be, you can kind of play around with it this way. So if you wanted to go ahead and do this and do the exact same thing, hi, hey, etc., you can kind of play around with it that way. So pretty simple, but that's how to add bullet points on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.